Hi, I'm Julie Blanner from the lifestyle website, julieblanner.com, where I share easy recipes, entertaining ideas, home decor, and so much more. Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite fall side dishes with you, even though it tastes more like a dessert. Our kids never thought they would like these because, vegetable potato, but they cannot keep their hands off of them. Sweet potato casserole is a quintessential Thanksgiving dish that you just can't keep your hands out of. It's so irresistibly good. This melt-in-your-mouth sweet potato casserole recipe is a crowd-pleasing side dish for Thanksgiving and Christmas. It will wow your guests while taking just 10 minutes hands-on time to make. So let's get started, shall we? First, we're going to combine the casserole dish itself, which is made of canned sweet potatoes, a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, and a half cup of melted butter. Now we're going to combine this in a stand mixer or large mixing bowl with a beater. And now we'll pour our sweet potato casserole mixture into a large greased baking dish. We'll spread it to fill the dish, and then we'll get started on our topping. Now we're going to combine our topping, which consists of a half cup of butter melted, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, a 1/3 cup of flour, and 1 cup of crushed pecans. And now we'll just stir until combined. This makes such an incredible crunchy topping. It's a dessert in itself. And now we're just going to pour this mixture on top, and we'll bake it to allow it to caramelize and become candy-like. It adds such a nice crunch to this classic sweet potato casserole. Another fun tip is that you can make these into tartlet using phyllo shells. Makes nice individual portions. These can be made with canned sweet potatoes or 3 cups mashed sweet potatoes. Bake 30 to 35 minutes or until set. Allow to cool 15 minutes before serving. One of the most amazing things about the sweet potato casserole is you can make it ahead and bake it just before serving. I'm always looking for easy advantages when I'm hosting Thanksgiving dinner, and this is definitely one of them. Make and bake dishes. There are so many variations. If you'd like, you can add some pecans, some walnuts, a little crumbly topping. Of course, you could top it with marshmallows, but it's quite sweet enough as it is. Your pick. However you enjoy it, enjoy. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this sweet potato casserole. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.